Sam from sugarspunrun.com, and today I want to show you how to make my absolute favorite peanut butter cookies. These are nice, soft, chewy peanut butter cookies, and I think you're going to love them. Let's go ahead and get started. The first thing we want to do is combine 10 tablespoons of room temperature unsalted butter, 2/3 cup of tightly packed light brown sugar, and 1/4 cup of granulated sugar in a large bowl. Use an electric mixer to beat these together until well creamed. Now we'll add 1/2 cup of creamy peanut butter into your batter. Now, I do not recommend using natural peanut butter for this recipe, the kind that separates and you have to stir. I'd stick with just regular creamy peanut butter. Stir in 1 large egg and 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Now set your wet ingredients aside and let's prepare the dry ingredients. You'll need 1½ cups of all-purpose flour and add 1 tablespoon of cornstarch. The cornstarch is going to help make these peanut butter cookies nice and soft and chewy. Stir in 3/4 teaspoon of baking soda and 3/4 teaspoon of salt, and now gradually stir your dry ingredients into the wet to make your peanut butter cookie dough. Okay, now we'll cover this cookie dough and transfer it to the refrigerator where we'll chill it for 30 minutes. Once the dough is chilled, preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit and retrieve your peanut butter cookie dough from the fridge. Now use a 1½ tablespoon sized cookie scoop and scoop the peanut butter cookie dough into balls. Roll the dough between your hands into a smooth ball and roll each cookie dough ball with granulated sugar before placing it on a parchment paper lined cookie sheet. Make sure to place the cookie dough about 2 inches apart, and then use a fork to gently make a crisscross pattern over each cookie and gently press them down. Alright, now we'll bake these cookies in our 375 degree oven for about 8 minutes. Allow them to cool completely on their baking sheet. And that is how you make my favorite soft and chewy peanut butter cookies. These are so nice and soft. I think you guys are going to love them, and I really hope you will try them out and let me know what you think. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.